In this video, we will see how to fix Windows script host Run.vbs error code 8007002 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of Windows script host error, then here are the fixes. The first one is right click on a start button and choose settings. And here from the left side of settings page, go to privacy and security. And from the right side, click on Windows security. Click on it. Here choose virus and threat protection. A new Windows security page will open. Here scroll down and click on scan options. Here you will find four scan options. Here choose full scan and click on scan now. It means scan your system for any virus, and after that restart your system and check whether your Windows script host error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to Windows Update, and from the right side, click on check for updates or any pending action required. Fulfill them. Sometimes outdated operating system may be a cause of various type of Windows script host error appeared on your system. So update your operating system. The next one is go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt Windows. Run as administrator mode. In command prompt windows, execute the command as shown on screen. First, there's three DISM tool one by one, followed by enter key on each time. DISM online scan health, DISM online check health, and DISM online restore health. Execute all these three commands one by one, followed by enter key on each time in command prompt windows. And once successfully execution of these three DISM tool, execute the command sfc scan now. It will scan your system for any corrupted files and repair them accordingly. So execute the command sfc/scan now and press enter and wait till 100% verification complete. After that, restart your system and check whether your Windows script host error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Don't forget to restart your system. The next fix is again right click on a start button and choose run. You may press Win plus R shortcut key to open run dialog box, and in run dialog box type msconfig msconfiz and click on OK. Clean boot your system. System configuration window will open. Here from the top menu bar, go to services and make the check against option hide all Microsoft services. And finally, click on disable all from the bottom right corner. Thereafter, go to a startup tab from the top menu bar and here click on open task manager link and startup all the startup apps. Look one by one, and if you found any startup apps enabled in your system, manually disable it. Look for any enabled startup app, right click on it and choose disable. Apply this process for all your enabled startup apps in your system. After that, close the windows and finally click on apply and OK to save the changes and check whether your Windows script host error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, right click on start button and choose run. And here type RSTRUY in run dialog box and click on OK. This command will open restore system files and settings page. System restore can help fix problems that might be making your computer run slowly or stop responding. Choose recommended restore, otherwise choose a different restore point. You may choose a different restore point and click on next, and here choose a restore point. Restore your computer to the state it was in before the selected event. Choose, it may be a possibility of this after this event your problem arise, so restore your system to the previous state of your system. Finally, confirm your restoration point and choose finish. Follow on screen instruction to complete the process and check whether your Windows script host Run.vbs error resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Again, go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. And in command prompt windows, execute the command as shown on your screen. Regenerate wscript.exe file. So execute this command in your command prompt windows and press enter and follow on a screen instruction to complete the process. After that, restart your system. That's all.